Hi guys, today we're going to be washing my squishies. So, you want to help?
You put them in.
Okay, we
and I'll take
can't
them out and
do
dry 'em.
all of them at a time. And some can't go in, like the foam squishies, those can't go in. So, I'll just put it in. I'm going to show them what I'm putting in. Should I fill it up more?
No, it's fine.
Okay. I'm just doing all my neatos. Where's my note? This neato. Then I'll do this squishy.
There was that smaller orange one too.
Right here.
Yeah.
This
Yeah.
one.
Yeah, definitely that one.
That one's disgusting. Even though I just got this one, we're gonna wash it anyway. I should do ASMR videos. You were right.
I usually am.
Okay. I think we're good for right now.
Look at the water get all cloudy already.
The water's so cloudy. Okay. So let's get this one. Coronavirus. Okay. Why does it look red when it's wet?
It's just bright orange.
I made sure I put all my neatos in here because they're the best. They're my favorite. Okay. This one.
Yeah.
What? You want to get the rest of the
Look at
neatos?
this one. Looks like an ice cube, doesn't it?
It's called the Nice Cube. Well, that one's the Nice Berg. This one's the Nice Cube.
Oh.
This one's the Dream Drop. This one came in like, I think it was like groovy fruit or something. Because it came with other fruits.
Mm.
This one's so pretty when it's wet. I really like this one. We got this one at the Dollar
good.
General. What's that one? I'm going to tell them where I got them. This one I got at Meijer. Oh, I might need more towel space. This one, I think I got at the Dollar General.
Yeah, we go there often. Huh?
This one I got at DSW. That one I got at an arcade in Ohio. Same with this one. I got that at the same arcade. I got them both at Scene 75.
Nice. Okay, is
Frankenstein.
that all of them?
All of them for tonight? Okay, second set. Cheese. I got this one at, I don't know, Walmart.
Oh, that one's really dirty. I don't know if you want to put that one in there, do you?
Yeah, it's like the same texture. It's
Oh,
like,
so-
I've washed it before.
Okay.
This one, he got me at Meijer. This one I got at Meijer. We're washing like the big ones. I'll set aside the ones we can't wash, like the foam ones. And I don't want to wash the poppets. I don't think we need to wash this, obviously. There's some in here we don't need to
Yeah,
wash.
probably wouldn't hurt to clean it though.
You know, we could probably clean it off.
Oh, the cheese looks a lot better.
That thing is tweaked. Do we need more towel space?
Well, we just get these two left.
Those aren't the last of them, though. All we have left is just like mochis, like these.
Yeah, so let's... And we can just set it like this. Did you get this one cleaned?
A little bit.
Getting your dancing in, June? I see you back there. Gabriella, Ella, eh.
That's umbrella. Ella.
No,
Eh.
I'm kind of a weird assist, you know what I mean?
Now we're gonna do.
words together.
Now we're gonna do my little squishies. That's all that's left.
Okay.
So I'm gonna do this one. I'm gonna do this little mochi dog. This mochi, I really don't know what it is. I got it today, but I don't know what it is. This duck
It's a
jumbo
fish.
mochi. I think it's a fish.
Yeah.
Then I
Yeah, it
have
goes like this.
have this paw print mochi.
Or is that a seahorse?
And then lastly, I have
Oh, I don't know.
my gummy worms that I got today. I have two of different colors. The green. I have yellow, pink, purple, blue, and then orange. So let's wash these.
Got quite a few.
Yeah, I did get quite a few actually. So many of them get like hairs on them.
Yeah, you can put these on the fishing hook.
Okay, so.
Right? You think so?
I got this duck. It's a jumbo mochi.
Jumbo?
Jumbo.
It's not very jumbo. Why is it called jumbo?
Because it's the biggest size. The paw print one. Probably like, this is probably my favorite mini one too. It's this glittery one.
I like that one.
Yeah, it's like the perfect size. This mochi. Leave that in the water. That can drain.
Yeah, well, that's
Then we got the last two
come from your emojis.
emojis. Emojis.
Yeah, emojis.
Emojis.
Okay, is that it?
Uh-oh. You gonna add more water?
I don't know. You want to do those or no? Oh, here we go.
Just like one pump. Okay. That's literally all we need. No, because there's this. Here, I got it. I can mix it.
Oh, you're so smart. Okay.
So we're doing the food mochis now. I'm just gonna dump them.
I'm just drying this off. Put them back.
Make sure they're not wet when you put them back, though.
That's what I said. I'm drying them off. Oh, you're not dancing, are you?
No.
Oh,
Okay. So, we're gonna do the ice creams first. So, I think I got 3 of each. I think I'm missing a hamburger, though. But it's fine. I got 3 of these pink ice creams.
Jesus, clean.
I have 2 of these. I gave one to my brother, though. So I should have 3.
3 what?
Of the popcorns. They're popcorn. I don't even know if I said.
Oh,
You missed and you dropped it on the carpet.
Ava, what'd you do?
What you do? Next are the hot dogs. These are my dad's favorite.
Love them.
Okay. Then I have 2 hamburgers. Then I got.
I got. Oh, man. That's my girl.
3 of these French fries. Ooh! Then saved the best for last. The sandwiches. They're my favorite.
I can't remember what they call those sandwiches. Okay, I'll leave some for you to dry off.
Some, more like all.
Oh, yeah, right. Look at that bin.
No, it's because they're all big bags. We already forgot more squishies too.
Oh, you can wash those.
He's leaving me to wash the Kappa squishies. Yeah, I'm not washing them.
They're not even that
You just
big.
want me to dry off all
Yeah.
the small ones.
Yeah, dry them off and put them back in the bin. Thank
Talk
you.
to them.
Yeah. Thank you. Love you.
Love you too. Okay, so we're gonna wash these squishies first. I'm gonna dry this gummy bear one. I don't know what's gummy bear. It might just be a bear. Now watch. Try it. Big goose, that big goose, Danny goose. This one's dry. Has little faces in it. It's got this heart eye one. Smiley face one. It has one more. Where is it? It's like this side one. These are kind of air drying on their own. This glittery one. This glittery one. Coronavirus. I gotta dry off. Ignore the TV. It's loud. Go fanto elefanto toto canoni giagani gira celestre che farà celestre cappuccino assassino burrito bandito oi 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 li 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 la li la bello bello cappuccino You guys aren't ready for this. Tiny little fruit. I've had this for like 3 years. It's like old, gross, but I love it. What's your guys' favorite game on the road? Good, I'm almost done. Joe's favorite game on Roblox? Because mine right now is give me a minute. Volleyball Legends. Okay. Bye guys.